Alright.
Yo, what's up? It's About Life Podcast. Your boy Shane, aka Black Duplicate. What's up? It's crypto day. You already know. So start from scratch for all my beginners, all my lifers. Welcome back. Thank you for watching. Welcome back. All my newcomers, make sure you like and subscribe. Of course, you already know lifers. Y'all should be liking and subscribing to every video. That's what it should be. But it's okay. Make sure y'all do that. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to start from scratch today. We're going to go research a cryptocurrency project. So let's go get started. Here we go. Breaking it down. We're starting from nothing. You already know what it is. Let me break this down a little bit more. But right here, break all this stuff down. All right. We almost there. Here we go. So we'll go coin market cap. You already know what it is. Nice early in the morning. Hope everybody's doing okay. Hope everybody's doing all right. Hope we all good over there, everywhere we at globally, right? So let's go find a project to look into. Let it all fully load up. All right, here we go. We got our list. Let's see what we can find to look into. How about Avalanche? You know, Avalanche is a layer 1 project. It's kind of like Polkadot in Ethereum, right? But all these layer 1 projects have their own expertise, so to say. As you see, this is a layer 1 because it has its own contract code, right? Avalanche Exchange, right? There you go. That's their layer 1 project code right here, right? So if you ever want to add projects into MetaMask, this is the contract code you're going to be using to add like the Avalanche project and all that good shit, right? So let's see what CoinMarketCap has to say about Avalanche. You know, they do have a 12 billion, or is that 12 million? $12 billion fully diluted market cap. Real crab type market right here. All right. As you know, it's worth $17 per Avalanche token. Right. A lot of people made a lot of money off Avalanche. Back when Avalanche was like damn near nothing, they made a lot of money off this joint. All right, let's see. What is Avalanche according to market cap? And then we're going to go and do our deep dive. Avalanche is a layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform for decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks. It is one of Ethereum's rivals, aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It aims to do so by having a higher transaction output of up to 6,500 transactions per second while not compromising scalability. All right. This is made possible by Avalanche's unique architecture. The Avalanche network consists of 3 individual blockchains, the X chain, C chain, and the P chain. Each chain has a distinct purpose, which is radically different from the approach Bitcoin and Ethereum uses, namely having all nodes validate all transactions. Avalanche blockchains even use different consensus mechanisms based on their use cases. After it was launched in 2020, they got their own ecosystem, data apps, DeFi, and all that good stuff. Exchange is here's the change right here, what they're built for. Let's see. The X chain used to send and receive funds on Avalanche network, which is the exchange's only function. So the only function is to send and receive funds, okay? What's the P chain? Used for staking, AVAX, and facilitating validator activities. And then the C chain contract. I know a lot of GameFis and their data apps are using C chain. Avalanche is chain for decentralized finance, as it is the chain used for smart contracts and DeFi apps. Most of Avalanche data apps are housed here and compatible with MetaMask. There you go, because I know one of my favorite blockchain games, DefiKingdoms, they're using C chain. Yeah, they're using C chain. They got the founder, Avalanche was launched by Ava Labs, founded by Cornell University professor Ermin Gunsier and Cornell University computer science PhD Kevin. I'm not even gonna screw up his name. And another guy over here, the Ted Yin. Okay. Interesting. Okay. What is saying here? Is a veteran in cryptographic research. Very nice. You already got everything you want to read here. What makes Avalanche unique? That already was unique. The fact that they use 3 different chains. So if that wasn't unique enough for you, I don't know what the hell is. Just the fact that they have the 3 diverse chains, which focuses on key factors within the blockchain, which is fantastic. I think that was a great idea. So obviously they're going to have a big team on the X chain, and then a separate team on the C chain, and then a separate team on the P chain, which is great because then you got people specialized in those areas, right? And I'm assuming, they only have to work together in certain avenues when it comes to just functioning together on the Avalanche network. But other than that, they could basically focus on their main areas, which is, I think, a really good idea. I kind of like that. I think that's really cool. But let's go check out the main stuff. So that's another thing you make sure you do. You come over and see what CoinMarketCap has to say about it, or CoinGecko. See what those major places have to say about it. They have the website right here. They have, let's see, snowtrace.io. They got the Twitter right here. As you know, I always like to go to the Twitter. You know how that is. You know how I am with that. Let's see. And then they got they got 2 websites here. AVAX Network. And we're going to check out avax.org. avalabs.org. Gonna look at both of those since that's the founder of this whole entire thing. But here's the Twitter. Let all that load up and all that good stuff. I've been following Avalanche. I've been tracking Avalanche for a while. I already did my due diligence with Avalanche. We're gonna do it for y'all, right? We're just starting from scratch here, so y'all have an idea on what you want to do. All right, here's the Avalanche network. Avalanche is the fastest smart chain platform in blockchain industry as measured in time to let's see what they have here. Core just announced its support for the Ethereum network and all EVM compatible chains, as well as custom Avalanche subnets, setting a new standard for multi-chain UX in Web3. Huge. Huge. We got some retweets here. More retweets. Alright, retweets. How to stake your AVAX via delegation. What's up with the Ava Labs? Obviously, they're active because they're retweeting stuff for like the last couple days, but they don't seem to really be posting too much. They posted the AVAX support, but it's their own posts. Don't seem to know. It's iffy. They're just retweeting, but that's okay. I'm sure they're pretty busy doing what the hell they be doing. So with the Ava Labs, this is the Ava Labs founder, basically the founders of Avalanche. All right, they got careers here, so if you want to work, they got the team. They're already offering to join the team, so that's pretty cool. So they're offering, people to come over there and help out what they're doing. Here's the core, your all-in-one Web3 command center, which is fantastic. The blog, Bloomberg's, CoinDesk, Wired. So they got all the information you need right here. Let's check out the team. Here's the Facebook, LinkedIn, great. I'm glad to have that. And here we go. I love when the team members like this have LinkedIn accounts, man. I love that. It makes it so much easier to look into these guys. Twitter's great too. It's just it's oversaturated with bots. So I like to check into LinkedIn and stuff like that too. I'm not saying LinkedIn isn't, but Really big team. They're all showing their faces, all letting you know what's up. Really big, huge team. A lot of people here. From engineering, operators, marketing, products, all that good stuff. Got everything here. Really nice, really nice. All right. Let's go back real quick. So make sure you look into those team guys. Go if you don't have a LinkedIn, make your LinkedIn and look into all those people's LinkedIn if you really want to be dedicated to this project. You don't have to look into every single one, but look into the top dogs. Look into some of the engineers. Look into what some of those people are doing. You know, and then here you can learn about Avalanche. They have articles, I'm assuming, to learn about Avalanche. You know, all that stuff. You know. Welcome to the multiverse. Welcome to the multiverse. Yeah. Welcome to the multiverse. All right. The Avalanche Foundation launches a incentive program focused on accelerating and adopting the growth in its novel subnets. The premier scaling solution for Web3 dApps. All right. Blazingly fast, low cost, and eco-friendly. Showing you how to build now. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's a nice little setup right there. That's pretty sick. Avalanche is the fastest smart contract platform in blockchain industry as measured in time. Okay. What's possible with Avalanche? Avalanche is an open, programmable, smart contracts platform, decentralized applications, build fast, low cost, solidity, compatible, launch customized blockchain, private and public, scale to millions of validators with minimal hardware. Showing you how to build now. The Economist is greener and faster. Okay, boom. I love that. Greener. Is a greener, faster, more decentralized alternative to Bitcoin possible. Okay. That's important. If a coin or a company is not trying to go green, they're not going to last. So if you don't hear nothing about going green, you might want to be careful. Because that's the future. You know? That's the future of this world. So that needs to be taken real serious. Now, let's view Avalanche's ecosystem. All right, here's the ecosystem. See how we're just diving deep, going step by step and looking into stuff? Look at that. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. And look at this is important to look into too, all these projects right here. It's important to follow some of these on Twitter because some of these are real stuff. Like 1 inch is huge. 1 inch is huge. Definitely looking at 1 inch. That's huge. Like it's showing a whole bunch of stuff that's all in here. Anchor, that's a huge one too. You know. There you go. Arcwave, yes, that's a huge one. All right, here we go. Atlas Dex, the Avalanche Bridge, Avalanche Explorer. Okay, this is a tool that enables people to search the Avalanche blockchain. All right, it's really cool. Look into all these things. You might find something you like, you know, or it might inspire you to want to build one of your own. You know what I mean? But this is the ecosystem of Avalanche, and this is huge. Like you see how you could look at this right here and just see how big this is. Like look at this. This is huge. People are building massively huge shit. I know they're big on gaming. I know Avalanche is huge on gaming. Look at that. I got a whole bunch of sections for gaming. They got the bridge. They got the wallet. Of course, the Explorer right here if you want to look into the blockchain and all that good shit. And we haven't even checked out the other website. We're going straight off. Ava Labs brought us to all of this, right? That's why you want to check all the websites. Here's the Avalanche wallet right here that you can use. All right, create your own wallet, all that good stuff. Of course, you could always use MetaMask as well. Of course. Let's look into the other Avalanche site. Avalanche. Okay. So it brought us to the Avalanche website. Okay, so those are already linked. Now that we're over here, we're going back to this. You got developers and validators. You can start building here. Individuals, solutions, core, Avalanche, blah, 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 blah. Press. Okay. Press kit and media assets. Interesting. Community, and then the ecosystem. Now let's go past where we found that the ecosystem right here. We went past that. We came down here and it said view the ecosystem compared to other blockchains. Okay. I'm gonna just get rid of me real quick because I want to see something. Okay. Let's see. It's comparing Infinity TPS with subnets. Alright, 2 seconds. CPU optimal, thousands of nodes. Proof of stake, okay. Yeah, Ethereum is now proof of stake, yes. Which is good, actually. That's actually something good to see, that they updated their page. Right? Because if this still said proof of work, that was old Ethereum. Proof of stake is new Ethereum. So they are updating their site. That is very, very important that they're on their shit. Alright. Alright, safety threshold 80%. Alright. Okay, that's pretty cool for Avalanche. Alright. Comparing themselves to other blockchains. Alright. Build Ethereum dApps without limits. It's solidity compatible. Avalanche is solidity compatible. That's fantastic. I didn't know that. All your favorite tools like Remanage. Well, let me not say I didn't know that. It's common sense. I kind of knew that, but like I'm saying, I didn't know that they're like it was that like in depth. That's pretty dope. They did update this from last time I originally researched AVAX. All right, here we go. Look at that. Boom. Alright, low cost. Flexible. Early transfer existing Ethereum assets. Okay, learn what use cases benefit most by leveraging the high performance compatibility of Avalanche. Decentralized finance. I heard about Pangolin. I heard a lot about that in the past. I was going to invest in it and I didn't. Institutions, enterprise, governments, or digital collectibles. You already know what digital collectibles are, basically NFTs, right? We all know that. Here we go. Path forward, token info, and then here's all their stuff. You know what I kind of liked about going through Avalanche's website like this? Something I kind of liked. They weren't trying to flex their partnerships. It's literally all about them. They got some who's building on Avalanche. Like they got this stuff right here. Who's building. You can click on these. But they're not like super flexing partnerships like other people. A lot of other networks like to flex their partnerships. Like that. That's like who they are, is their partnerships. Avalanche isn't really doing that. It's talking more about themselves, and I think that's fantastic. I do think that's fantastic. They're really focused on getting people to understand who they are and what they're doing, and I think that's a really fascinating way to be. So bravo to y'all Avalanche. Bravo. That's fantastic. You know, I do like that a lot. Right? But that's all we're gonna go to with Avalanche. You see how easy it is to get to them. It's not hard to figure out Avalanche. It's not hard to research Avalanche. They're right open doored for y'all to go right into and look into all the information, look into everything you need to see. They are not hiding. So I would definitely suggest doing some heavy research on Avalanche. You got $17 a coin. That is super low on Avalanche. I'm sure it's going to go down some more, right? So investing in Avalanche is going to be a nice, good, opportunity, right? But like I always say, I'm not a financial advisor, as everybody else has to say, and do your damn research. Do your research, man. It's very important. That's what this this content is here for. So make sure you're researching projects, make sure you're doing a deep dive in projects, and you're taking hours on hours on hours to learn about this before you dive in and throw your money into it. All right, don't just throw your damn money into it and then go look into it, because then you might not like it. You might not want to support it. It might not be something for you. You know what I'm saying? You really have to know what these people stand for and what they're doing. If their core values are the same as your core values. And I'm not saying you gotta like them to invest. I'm not saying that, but you do have to damn believe in what they're doing in order to invest. If you don't believe in them, what's the point of investing? Because then you're investing into something that you don't believe. That's kind of a waste of time, in my opinion. But, do what you want to do. But I love y'all. All my lifers, thank you for watching. All my newcomers, thank you for watching. And then welcome back to everybody that's sticking around and stuff like that. Make sure you like the content. Make sure you subscribe to the content. Make sure you comment down below with stuff that I can improve. If you want me to do more. If you want these to be longer. Whatever the case it is. If you feel like there's other ways to start up from scratch, let me know. I have tried other ways, and I will continue trying other ways. I'm just sticking a coin market cap for now for the last couple of videos, because it's simple and it's easy and straight to the point, right? You could do the same thing with most cases. But I got y'all. I love y'all, and I'm out of here. It's About Life Podcast. We got so much more coming. Stay tuned. We out.